case of breast lift, which is scientifically known as mastopexy. Now this patient, she is a 30-year-old female, unmarried, and you can see that her entire breast has sagged down. The nipple areolar complex, it is much below the inframammary crease, the inframammary line. Also the upper pole, it is completely flat and entire breast tissue has come down to the lower pole. Also, if you see both the breasts, they are slightly asymmetrical. The left breast is slightly larger than the right breast. The nipple areolar complex of the left breast, it is more outward and downward pointing compared to the right breast. So these are slight asymmetries which I as a plastic surgeon would want to correct. But this patient, she did not want any reduction of her breasts, and so I just went ahead with a breast lift procedure. Now also, if you see on the lateral view, she has this excess tissue in her upper lateral chest wall. So we are going to also combine a liposuction for her to give her a nice shape in the lateral chest wall and improve the contour of the overall breast. Now if you see the other view as well, again this is the lateral chest wall where there is excess bulk. We are going to lipo, and the upper pole, you see, this is completely flat and the entire breast is hanging down. Now for any procedure of the breast, the most important first step is the marking. So we need to mark the midline, we need to mark the meridian of the breast, we need to take the measurements, precise measurements where the new nipple areolar complex would be, so that we can achieve as best symmetry as possible in terms of the new nipple areolar position, in terms of the position of the breast mount, in terms of the pedicle which we are creating, the part which we will be lifting and putting up in the breast. Now since this patient was an unmarried female, we had to preserve a lot of tissue in the upper pole so that we can preserve a lot of lactating ducts and at the same time also give her an upper pole fullness. So this is the main part of the surgery where we need to preserve all the tissue which is needed, which would be needed to give a good mount as well as preserve the lactating ducts. So as you can see here, this is the photo of the patient in the operative room lying down. This is after we have completed the right breast. You can see the fullness she has achieved, the mount she has achieved, and this is after completing the both breasts. So this is the difference from before to after on table. So we've already seen the on table results. Now let us look at the results after 6 weeks. This is the front view. You can see the mount she has, the upper pole fullness. The nipple areolar complex is now at the level of the IMF and the entire breast is full. There is upper pole fullness as well. Yes, there is slight asymmetry in the breast, which we have already discussed. If you see on the lateral view of the patient, this excess tissue is gone. The fullness of the breast is there, and the shape of the breast, if you can see, it is more natural. Again, on this view as well, you see that the lateral mount is gone and the upper pole fullness has been achieved. You can see that the breasts were droopy and they have been lifted. They are more perkier, rounder in shape. There is some asymmetry, but this could be because of some remnant swelling and also because of the asymmetry which was there to begin with. Also, if you look at the scars, these scars in the lower part, the vertical part, it is almost invisible, and the other scar which is in the underbreast region, it is hidden by the breast fold itself. I prefer not to give a scar extending medially because I know my patients would want to wear a low cut dress, and if I give a scar medially, it would be visible. So this is the beauty of the scar. When you see in the lateral view, you can again appreciate that the upper pole flatness which was there, it is gone. There is a good amount of mount and fullness in the upper pole. The nipple areolar complex which was pointing downwards, it is now pointing forward and she has a good breast mount. The lateral flank which was full, it is now empty, and the overall shape of the breast, even in the opposite side lateral view, you can see the overall shape of the breast, the mount of the breast, it is more perkier and rounder and more beautiful than before. So this was the story of my breast lift patient. And now after the surgery, she is not only able to wear and choose the kind of bra and clothes she has always wanted to, but she is also able to wear her confidence in a way she should.